Hello everyone, welcome to coding class. Today we are going to see how to create a seeder file in Laravel. So first of all, I am going to open my terminal to run my application. So in previous video we have learned how to install Laravel and Livewire, and then migration, how to create a migration, and how to upload the Laravel project on GitHub. So today video we will see about create seeder file in Laravel. So seeder is just like suppose you have a project and you need some dummy data in your project. So just going to in your PHP my admin, suppose you need to insert some data. So this is not the correct way. Every time you are going to in DB and just inserting the data, so it's not the correct way. So in Laravel there is providing the seeder functionality. So seeder is just like it creates a dummy data, 10 to 15 whatever record you want, and when you run the seeder, the data is dummy data is already automatically insert with the help of command. So and then you can test your application with that dummy data. So let's go. First of all, I am going to run my application. So php artisan serve. So this will run my application. Okay, so I'm just going to open my application which is in localhost 127. So this is our application. Okay, so we need to also run the UI part also. So I'm going to open a new terminal also. php npm run build. Okay, and npm run dev. So now you can see my application is running, and UI CSS is missing because uh, uh, because uh, because we are not running this npm run dev. So every time you are when you are going to run your application, so backend and frontend both you have to run. So backend side you have to run php artisan serve, and frontend side first of all you have to run npm run build. So this will create your front-end file, and then npm run dev. So it will start your Vite and front-end server also. So let's go. We need. You can see the demo title, demo content. This is a static data. So you can see in this blade file. So we have statically. This is static, so I am going to wrap it. Okay, so you can see this is static data. So we need to uh, give some dynamic value from our database. So but in our database there is no value, you can see. First of all, I'm going to see you which database we are using. So how to check which database you are using? So just go to .env file, and inside this location you need to go this this one, the db connection database. So livewire crud is our database. So when you open php myadmin, just go to livewire crud. Okay, so livewire crud is here. So when I am going to click it, so it will open our database. Okay, so the data will display from this post table, but you can see the post table there is no data. Okay, so now I have to create a seeder file for this. So to create seeder file we have to run some commands. So now I am going to create a seeder file for post table. So the command will be php artisan make seeder, and the seeder name will be post seeder. Okay, and just press enter. It will create a seeder file inside your database seeder folder. So when we are going to this database folder, database, you can see there is newly created this folder database post seeder. Okay, so we have created a migration file for post. So you can see this is the migration file, and this is the seeder file. The same we have created the column name and like id, title, content. So we are going to create a dummy data for this. So we are just writing posts create it will be post create, or inside this create we are creating an array. So array will be like this, and you need to create a value like column name is title. Okay, title suppose we are just going to write title first. Okay, we are just going to put this value inside our database. So title first, and there is another column is content. You can also see check the column name from here also, because the post table na? So title and content, and id will be inserted automatically, created at also inserted automatically, and updated at also automatically it will take, and only title and content we have to insert. So content we are just going to write title first, content. You need to include the model file also. So use app models post. क्या कर रही हो तुम? So you can see user app models post. So it will be you need to include this, because now you can see the error is not coming now. So this is the first value. If you want to insert more value, then you can also add the another array. So if you want to add more value, so you need to add another array for this with the comma separated. So next value will be in just second and second content. Okay, you need to add the third value. Okay, Okay, so now I think I have inserted 5 value. So we need to run a command to execute this seeder. So first of all, we need to register this post seeder file into our database seeder, this file. Okay, so we are going to write this call, and inside this in this post seeder class name, post seeder and class. To insert the multiple records in DB, so we are going to create DB and table users, not its posts, and insert, and we are going to we are just going to paste it, first record inside this, and okay, so something like this we are just going to create this. So for the multiple records, we have to do this. For the third record, now everything is okay, but we need to insert the DB file also. So we are going to use illuminate support facades and then DB. So now it will not create any error. So I think everything is okay. So now I am going to before this we need to remove this record. Okay, and now I am going to add this run this seeder file. So seeder is created. So you can see all the records is inserted. Okay, so we need to also add this created at and updated at. So we need to just go to our records, created at, and we have to write only this now. Okay, and also updated at, same thing, updated at, same thing. So this we have to insert in every row. Okay, so now we are going to run this db php artisan db seed class, whatever the seeder file name, class name. So I'm going to enter. and this is successfully entered all the value in our table. So you can see the all the value with the created and updated at it is in our Seeder file. Now you can see all the file, all the data, whatever you want. So it is very helpful if you have created a Seeder file. See, all the time you need not to insert any value in your DB. So your directory just run this command. You will run this command and you will get the dummy data in your table. So I think this in this video Seeder, how to create a Seeder file and how to run the Seeder command and what is the configuration we have learned. So first of all I am going to summarize today video. So first of all we have run this command php artisan make Seeder, whatever you want to create a Seeder file. So we are creating post Seeder. So post database, post table is there. So only we have to in singular form we are going to create this in singular form post Seeder. Okay, so this will create a this Seeder file, and inside this Seeder file we have inserted 5 records. Okay, so 5 records is there, and after that we are going to include this in our database seeder.php, and then we are running this command php artisan db Seeder or class. This is for a particular class. If you want to run all the Seeder, so only you have to write php artisan db seed, only this. What if you want to run Seeder for any particular file, so you have to write hyphen class post Seeder. Okay, so I think this is the today's video achievement. So we have achieved the goal. So I think Seeder, all the concept I think you have clear. And if you want anything which you are facing any problem or something like that, so you can comment out. I will give you answer, and practice in your local. Then it will be clear in your mind. So I think I think this for today, for this video for today, this is enough. So we will meet in next video. So if you like this, press the like button and share with your friend and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you, take care.